Hello and welcome to Tech Talks. Most of us have heard of Adobe and it doesn't need any introduction. In this video, I am going to discuss one of the top content management tool from Adobe, Adobe Experience Manager, popularly known as AEM. It was formerly known as CQ and it was developed by Day Software in 2000, but it became popular after Adobe acquired Day Software in 2011. First version of CQ that was released under Adobe was CQ 5.4 back in 2011. In the past few years, this tool has gained immense popularity and in spite of being so expensive, AM is very popular amongst business and major players in the market uses it to manage their content and for creating dynamic web applications. Anyone who has basic knowledge of Java, HTML and JavaScript can learn AEM. Now let me tell you what are the advantages of learning AEM as a developer. First, let's discuss the advantages for experienced professional. In spite of being in the market for quite some time, it is still considered to be a niche skill and hence one of the highest paying profile in software industry. If you are looking to switch technology, then knowledge of AEM can make your transition easier. If you become an AEM developer, eventually, you will also become Java developer, REST API developer, J2EE developer, and OSGI plugin developer because of the underlying technology AEM uses. Since it is an Adobe product, we can assume that Adobe will not let it die soon. Let's discuss what it can offer to someone who wants to make an entry into software world. All the freshers who are looking for software jobs have an advantage while learning AEM because in this process they will also learn basics of all the technologies like Java, HTML, JavaScript. Also they will get exposure to OSGI and Sling framework. It will make you stand out of the crowd. Adding AM knowledge to your CV will enhance your chances by many folds. Creating a project in AM is easy compared to others and you can realize your work as the setup requirement for AM is minimal and after every step you can see the result of your work. There were days when AEM resources were limited and companies were ready to pay them whatever they asked to have them hired. But if they can hire someone with the knowledge of AEM, that too at the cost of fresher, they will surely not hesitate. And still there are a lot of opportunities available in AEM. For any queries, you can drop me a mail at gaurav15.tiwari@gmail.com. From the discussion so far, if you think you should also learn AEM, you can follow my tutorial AEM tutorial for beginners where I will guide you on how you can start your AEM step by step learning. I will also tell you the areas that you should pay more attention to in order to become Adobe certified, which will be a big plus for your profile. If you wish, you can subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get latest content. Happy learning. If you like the video, you can share and hit like. Your feedback and suggestions are always welcome. Thanks for watching.